Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a Python program to print the right hand pyramid using stars. Okay, so let's start the question. I will take the variable n and int input, and I will write here enter n here. Okay, I am taking n because for nth line we are going to make a pyramid, and now I will apply a for loop for I in range n. Okay, and here I will write print star into I. Okay, and let's run the code. I will take n, the value of n is 3. For 3 lines the pyramid should be printed like star, after that 2 star, and after that 3 star. Okay, like this. Enter. So it's a empty line. It's a okay. It's an empty line because the initial value of I is from 0 by default. Okay, so I have to initialize the value of I should be from 1 to n plus 1, because the initial value of I here is 1 and the final value of I is n plus 1 minus 1 means n. Okay, so let's run the code. Take the value of n to be 3. So the pyramid is printed. It is right hand pyramid. Okay, now take another value of n like 5. So star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. Okay, I hope you understand the question. See you in the next video.